Is the housing market set to crash in 2025, or are prices going to increase? It's a question I've been asked a lot recently, and in this video, I'll be discussing the market and where it might be headed in the next year. Let's start with the good news. The Canadian real estate market is expected to see a strong resurgence in 2025, with activity ramping up as early as March. That doesn't sound like a crash now, does it? According to a recent report by Zoocasa, stabilizing interest rates and a surge in sideline buyers could ignite a traditional spring housing market. In 2024, things have been relatively quiet, but the calm is just a precursor to what could be a much livelier market next year. By the way, my name is Sernoskie, and I'm a real estate professional here in Ottawa, and I'm thrilled to share some insights about where the Canadian housing market might be heading. So if you enjoy this content, don't forget to like and subscribe for a ton more helpful tips and information like this. So what does it mean for buyers? If you've been waiting on the sidelines, 2025 could be your chance to make a purchase. For sellers, this anticipated buyer demand could create a more competitive environment, encouraging more listings and possibly pushing prices upward. One factor driving this activity will be mortgage renewals. In 2025, about 1.2 million Canadian mortgages are set to renew, with many homeowners transitioning from the historically low rates of 2020 to 2021 to the rates that will be above 3% today. For some, this adjustment may result in higher monthly payments, prompting the potential for a wave of downsizing activity, and this may lead to an increase in available inventory. This is particularly important in high-demand markets like Toronto and Vancouver, where the shift could offer buyers more options after a period of limited inventory. If you're thinking of selling in 2025, now might be the time to start preparing your property. If you're a buyer, seller, or investor, you'll want to pay attention because the market is gearing up for some changes. For buyers, the window of opportunity may be brief, with interest rates projected to be around 2.25% towards the end of next year and potentially dipping further. We could see a renewed sense of urgency. If rates continue to decline, we might witness a return of the FOMO, the fear of missing out, as buyers try to lock in properties before prices climb. First-time buyers are expected to be key players in this new wave. If you're in this category, consider getting pre-approved for a mortgage early and working closely with your agent to stay ahead of the competition. While the market outlook for buyers and sellers is promising, investors may be facing a tougher landscape. Rising borrowing costs and lagging rental income have made it challenging to turn a profit, especially in the condo market. According to Zoocasa, new condo sales in the GTA and Hamilton dropped 81% in Q3 of 2024 compared to the previous year, and that's the lowest since 1995. Ownership costs for condos have risen nearly 60% since 2020, while rental income hasn't kept pace. For investors, this means navigating a tricky market where profitability may remain elusive in 2025, particularly in multi-residential properties. However, for buyers looking to enter the condo market, these conditions could create opportunities for negotiation. 2025 is shaping up to be a year of change and opportunity. For buyers, be prepared to act quickly, and for sellers, the increased activity could work in your favor. For investors, while the road ahead might be bumpy, understanding the market dynamics will be key to making informed decisions. As we approach the new year, it's important to keep a close eye on the market and any developments. And whether you're buying, selling, or investing, having a clear strategy and working with the right real estate professional will help you make the most of these opportunities. For more information about how my team and I can help you achieve your real estate goals, be sure to click the links in the description in this video.